Make learning healthy habits feel like playtime with the Learning Lights Sudsy Soap from VTech. This pretend soap dispenser teaches healthy hygiene habits at an early age with fun and friendly features. Washing up has never been more fun with a catchy 20-second song that teaches the 5 steps to hand washing. Kids can wet, lather, scrub, rinse, and dry with this fun and playful song.
Wet your hands and squirt the soap. Rubby, scrubby, make it all bubbly. Rub the tops and scrub the bottoms. Don't you forget between your fingers. Turn the tap on, rinse your hands. Pat, pat, dry, dry, hooray, you're done.
Kiddos can explore playful sounds, colors, and numbers, along with fun phrases with their new elephant friend.
Elephants' trunks can squirt water.
Let little ones press the oversized pump to see fun lights and hear sing-along melodies.
Ready to wash your hands.
Pump up fun and learning with the Learning Lights Sudsy Soap from VTech.